All right, today I'm going to be reviewing this bedside table. It is a little bit heavier, but I do like the function. It has some wheels on the bottom in case to make it easy to move around. This is as low as it can go. It's about 27 inches. See how it goes just about to the bed, but it does raise actually pretty high. I think it was a little over 40 inches raised. So you can either use it as a bed stand or a bed desk if you need to, or if you want to use it also as a TV tray. That foot is pretty easy to slide underneath or move it around as you need it to. This is about a 10.5 inch dinner plate, just as reference. It does have these kind of notches right here to stop if you say a pen or something. It has a little dip there, and it does have a little guard right here. This does tilt if you need it to. There is a little lever down here. So to tilt it, you're just gonna unscrew that, and then you can move that if for some reason you need to tilt it. You could even use it as like when you're presenting something, if you need to set your papers right here. But yeah, overall pretty good. It took me about 10 to 12 minutes to put together. Pretty easy. Comes with all the equipment, screws, and the little wrenches to do it. So overall, great product.